SEQ Campers. Please remember to subscribe to our videos as it helps us more than you can know. I'm standing here today with Linda, who is just new to us at SEQ Campers and works in the office. Many of you have probably spoken to her already. Now, Linda, you've been on a number of camping trips. You're a seasoned camper. What's your experience with canvas?
Oh, it was not good. Not enjoyable. Too long to set up, too long to pull down in the hot sun.
So Linda told me that she got sunburnt. She spent 3 hours closing up the camper.
Yeah.
They came home and they said never again.
Exactly. It was not good.
So we have a new theory here at SEQ Campers that the reason everybody's going away from canvas is because they haven't realized how easy these Kimberleys are to set up compared to all the canvas that's on the market now. A Kimberly is quality. A Kimberly lasts. This Kimberly behind me is a 2013 Kimberly Limited Edition. It is the lightest unit that we have on the market. It has an ATM of just 1,400. Well, it still has a payload of 700. That's including 120 liters of water. So you've just got heaps of room. You've got a big box in the front for canvas, for extra gear. You've got a cooktop here. You've got a nice bench here that you can pull out for cooking. It's really nicely set up. This has enough room in it for you to put a fridge in. But today, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how easy this is to set up, Linda, and we'll see how it compares to your previous experience. So with any Kimberly, the first thing that we're doing is we're undoing the latches. So will you help me, Linda, and undo those latches?
Too easy.
She'll do the two on the far side. There's 2 latches here and 2 on the far side. You've got one more barrel bolt here, then you can pull it out.
Oh, okay, cheers.
Once we've undone those latches, we just toss this over with all your strength. Throw it over.
Oh.
And pull it
and
out.
keep going. Back.
So once this is up, we just let the barrel bolts go. We're halfway there already, Linda. That was pretty easy, wasn't it?
It certainly was.
And then all we're doing is setting up this. And you just tighten that screw there. And that's us.
Oh.
We're ready to go camping.
So easy. That's incredible. That's so easy to do.
So now you're done camping, Linda.
Oh.
Shall we clean up? Shall we give it a go? Is it going to take us 3 hours like it did you last time?
Not.
It's sunny, it's windy, we're ready to go inside. Let's give it a go. So we've just pulled that one bar in. Put the camper there. We just have to pull those barrel bolts out again. And then we start. Now the thing about Kimberleys is you take them about halfway and there's a point at which it just starts resting. So somewhere around here, it's just can you see that it's comfortable?
It is, yes.
Right? It's just going to stay here. And it should just give us enough time to tuck in that canvas there. So there's a nice halfway point here. I think it's right about here.
I'll come and see how you do it, Maud.
So if you just hold this a little bit, and we're just going to tuck in that canvas the whole way around. The big thing is always these arms that you want to make sure that you're not getting the canvas stuck in on both sides.
I think I can do
the
the
same
other
on the
side.
far side if you want to go for it.
Let's have a go.
So remember, when you're working with those arms on that side, to pull the unit all the way out, the canvas all the way out, and put it above the elbows there. So you pull this out, and it goes above the elbows. Now, a good trick when you come to this part of the camping is make sure you open that boot here. When that boot is open, when it squishes shut, it'll get all the wind out, all the air out of the camper. So you continue to push everything in here. And you can tell me when you're ready on your side.
Yeah, we're ready.
Okay. And then we'll throw this one over. You can feel just that put some air out. Now, when it comes of these latches on this side, we will put them on in this order so that we're slowly squeezing the air out as we go.
The one.
We'll just put this latch on. There we go. We got that one on. Big open hand. Put it
Okay,
closed.
drop it down.
You can pull it down. And then we can do the same here.
So easy when you know how.
Then you check the back. It all looks good here. So you can close it up and you're ready to go. So as you can see, that unit did not take 3 hours to open or to close up. How do you think your camping trip on Crazy Island would have gone with one of these?
Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. That's so simple. Rain, hail or shine, you get it closed up so quickly.
So that was Linda and I at SEQ Campers opening up our small camper trailers that we highly recommend for people who are going on these off-road trips. Please come to SEQ Campers, give it a try yourself. We'll give you a thorough handover experience so that you can try it and make sure that you can do it.